Today we're going to be testing two different AIs to see which one can make Jujutsu Shenanigans in under 30 minutes the best. Alright, let's just get right into this. I'm going to need to see a reference. I've played this game like thousands and thousands and thousands of times. Just once again, before I start the timer, I think we should do one character. Or maybe 10 shadows. I think 10 shadows might be the easiest one. Yeah, okay, we're going to do 10 shadows. Okay, so we're doing it in 30 minutes. You're going to set in the timer. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, we are core and on how we're going to create Jujutsu Shenanigans in under 30 minutes.
So 30-minute core plan. Alright, so 0 to 5 minutes. So we just need to set up a framework. So let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. Alright, so that was the first part. Now we need, okay, we're gonna make the 4-hit combo chain. Okay, server validates, plays the animation, spawns a hitbox, and applies damage and stuff. I need you to generate the scripts, please. Great, we're 25 minutes in and I'm already getting confused. Okay, we're gonna add 4 emotes, M1 dash sprint block and 10 shadows. That is 5. M1 dash. Renaming all of these is gonna take so long. 10 shadows. This is gonna go in the comeback line, I'm guessing. Boom. Let's see if this works. First run. Okay, so we have the dash. Oh, this is really bad. This is really bad. Why is it spammable? Animations don't play when I am one. After we paste this, the animation chain should work, damage should happen, and the combo reset should take place after a second. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's gonna work. What's going on, ChatGPT? I thought you were good. Bro, it uses so much emojis, bro. It's kind of annoying. Okay, it works, it works, it works. What the hell? Yo, it's too fast. There's no cooldowns. Alright, we're at 17 minutes. Oh my god. It added a 0.35 second cooldown. Let's make it like 0.8, I feel like. Okay, that's a little bit too slow. But we're getting there. Yeah, there you go. The animation is kind of bad, I know, but no, it'll work. Alright, let's see if it actually damages people. Oh, it works. Perfect. Oh, that's really cool. Why do I do so much damage though? What the hell? So I said we need to add knockback on the last M1 chain hit and it knocks back the dummy. Oh, yo, what is that knockback, bro? Yo, he went flying. Wait, that's crazy, bro. One Punch Man ass knockback. We just need a little bit of knockback. Okay, you know what? That's fine. We're gonna work with this. Okay, we don't have time for adding all the other sprinting, and that's boring. Let's add the moves. It said yes! Yes, sir! This is a perfect beginner 10 shadows move. Okay, so starter pack tool called Rabbit Escape and requires handle equals false. Rabbit Escape. Okay, nothing's happening. Alright, let's test it out. I think that was it, right? Yeah, let's test it out. 3 minutes left. This better work, bro. This actually better work. Oh my god! What the hell? Yo! Okay, bro. Were the rabbits neon? What the heck? Have the rabbits come from under and swarm the player. Yo, it obliterated him, bro. Alright, we have a minute. Oh my god, that was sick. I'm not gonna lie, that was sick. That was sick. Yo. Chill, I need to chill. My computer's about to actually explode. Let me show you the final product. This is what ChatGPT made. First, it made a dash function, and then it made a pretty good M1 system. M1, and it made the first move of the 10 shadows technique. Instantly obliterate people that are in front of you. Alright, well, that was ChatGPT. The next AI we have in line, drum roll please, is, you guessed it, it's RoStudio. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna start the timer. We don't have time here. 3, 2, 1, go!
Create a thorough plan on creating the core functionality of Jujutsu Shenanigans.
How should the M1 combat system feel? Authentic JS style. How should blocking and hit interaction work? Simple block. Okay, so it's generating all the remote events. As you can see here, it generated some scripts and some folders. It's pretty much doing everything for us. It even added hit reactions. Look, added UI. That's crazy. So we have a little UI here. So I launch forward when I M1. Rabbit swarm. What the? Okay, that does not look like rabbit swarm. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so I removed it. Let's see. It keeps saying that it failed to use this asset ID. I think that's the block. 13 minutes on the clock. That's so much time. Oh my god. Literally. Whoa! Yo, what the hell? Why did it ragdoll? Oh my. What? Yo!
Reduce the knockback and have the camera move with the animation.
Added the sprinting animation. Should work. Actually, never. I didn't test the animation, so I wouldn't even know. Oh, it does work. There you go.
Fix rabbit swarm to have white instances swarm the opponent.
Oh, we have 3 minutes. Okay. Whoa, wait, that was kind of cool. So this is the final product. You have two UIs. You have the rabbit, which is the first move, and you have the M1 chain UI right here. How the M1 chain works is you just spam M1, and the last hit shakes your screen and knocks them back. Pretty nifty, huh? It's actually pretty cool. It's more like Deepwoken knockback than JJS, but... And then as for the moves, when you go up to them and you press E, rabbits swarm their head, and it deals damage and knocks them back. Well, that was it. So what do you think, guys? Which one did a better job? ChatGPT or RoStudio? You guys let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.